Hello, I'm David Zorin. I'm a student of the 10th grade of Sontar Polytechnic Lyceum. The topic of my research work is enhancing health therapy for the active respiratory health, simulating a marine microclimate for Kempenday and sea salts. The relevance of my research lies in the fact that residents of the far north have a high rate of respiratory diseases, and the high cost of annual visits to seaside resorts deprives them of effective prevention and rehabilitation. I decided to create the world's first innovative salt room simulating a marine microclimate to improve the health of residents of the far north. At the beginning of my experiment, I conducted a chemical analysis of the composition of Yakut Kempenday salt and sea salt in order to determine which salt should be used to coat the surfaces of the salt room and which should be used in the halogenerator. Next, I introduced additional equipment into the salt room with a dry salt atmosphere and brought the microclimate of the salt room as close as possible to the sea climate. I then conducted an experiment at school number 1 over the course of 2 years. The first year, students underwent preventative treatment in a standard salt room, and the second year in an innovative room I developed that simulated a marine microclimate. As a result, the rate of respiratory illness among students decreased by 11.9% compared to the previous period. Students' physiological indicators also improved by an average of 2.14%. I believe I have achieved my goal and my research has found practical application. An innovative salt room simulating a marine microclimate will be built in the new building of Sontar Polytechnic Lyceum, and I hope it will also be installed in other educational institutions of our republic. Thank you for your attention.